Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a really simple way to organize your aquascaping tools. All you need is a hot glue gun and a pack of magnets. These magnets can be found in a $2 shop or in a supermarket. They are small but really strong. What we are going to do is to use 2 of these magnets to mount one of your tools like this. It's secure and simply works. This is my cabinet. It is not very spacious, but I can fit a couple of tools here and a couple more behind here. Guys, this has been working perfectly. I have a tweezer here and a scissor here by the door because I use them the most. And I have the other tools down at the back. I don't usually use them much. Just check this out. It's really simple. 2 magnets, snap, scissors, snap. It's really easy to make, easy to use, works perfectly the way I want it. Just make sure your hot glue gun is hot enough. This is the only thing you need to be careful about. Other than that, this is very simple and straightforward. Well, that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you like DIY projects like this and aquascaping. Thank you for watching.